Here's a little bit about flipped lessons by me, Linda Timms. People always ask me, well, why would you flip your lessons? It's so much work, and it is a lot of work up front. But in the end, flipped lessons provide students direct instructions at home at their own pace. They free up the teacher's class time for working with students so that we can reteach and enrich their learning. Students benefit from flipped lessons by being able to work at their own pace. So if they're the fastest student in class or the slowest student in class, they have that freedom to work as fast or as slow as they like. They have lessons on hand for review before a test. They don't have to remember lecture notes to complete homework assignments when they get home. So all of these things help students do their very best in class. Teachers benefit from flipping also. We're able to maximize our class time. We can help students where they need it instead of spending all of our time up in front of the class lecturing. We can clone ourselves, so to speak, so that we can accomplish multiple tasks at one time. We're able to differentiate instruction easily for students so that students can be working on different lessons at different times. And while all of this is going on, we can assure ourselves that students are getting the correct instruction all the time so that even if there's a sub or something like that, our students have quality lessons in front of them at all times. Some of the tools for flipping are Explain Everything, Edulastic, Screencastify, and many, many more. Choose one that works for you.